Dave Porter with Vouch Video. When it comes to deck builders in Hunterdon County, Mercer County, Bucks County, Somerset County, I'm standing with one of the finest deck builders. I'm standing with Joe from My Deck. You really are doing some really special things with decks. I've heard about your curved decks. I've heard about really cool railings that you're doing today. Tell me about what people are requesting of you.
When it comes to decking, all steel framing now. We're doing curved structures. We're doing material that we actually bend around the perimeters for finishings. In materials today, composites have gone so far from the capstock on the top of the shells to what they're made of, the cellular PVC products, the composites. Aluminum railings are huge. We do custom aluminum rails. When it comes to the decking, we're actually able to take structures and actually make radiuses unlike you've ever seen.
My Deck has really become the leader in regards to some of these really cool concepts. Really, you don't want the same thing as your neighbor. You want your kind of special deck, and My Deck is really doing that with award-winning designs. Tell me a little bit about the design process. I've come to understand you use a lot of technology to help the customer understand what they expect.
Yeah, for us it's huge. What we do is we'll send one of our guys out to the actual job site. We'll take photos, videos, we'll take dimensions and elevations and bring all that information back to our office. So what we do at that point is we do 3D renderings. So we'll put it on a computer program system, software, and when the client comes in, we go through a whole process of picking materials, picking railings, designing the structure along with them. They're part of the whole process here. So when we build a structure together, we come up with exactly what they want. They can physically see it. When customers are done, they walk away with the best knowledge, an exact price. It all comes together here.
I'm here with Jay and Carrie. We understand that you contracted with My Deck. We wanted to come out and find out what your experience was with them.
We've never remodeled a deck, so we didn't know even where to begin.
They took time to listen to you, and then from that, come up with some creative ideas.
Absolutely. And it's high tech. I mean, some of the other people we met with gave you literally a pencil drawing on paper.
Right.
And when you're investing money, you want to see a little more than that. I mean, we were floored by even the technology of Robert's software, and he showed, all right, this is going to look exactly like this, and here are drone pictures, and we were just floored.
And one thing we didn't even know we wanted were these pillars. You know, I said we wanted something substantial, and in my mind I was like, oh, well, I guess white, I don't know. And
Right.
And Robert was like, oh, how about these? And I'm like, that's perfect. That's
Right.
You know, exactly what we needed and what we wanted.
And we never felt pressured. We never felt like it was a sales pitch. It was just Robert and the team just suggesting what was right.
But really, at the end of the day, not only do they walk away with really a great price, but they walk away with really some great concepts and ideas. I don't want to disregard the customer. You take the time to listen to the customer. The customer has these dream ideas, and I've read review after review how you're caring for the customer. How important is that to you?
It's very important, because when a client comes in, they're the ones that we're building the structure for. We take their thoughts and actually turn it into reality.
I'm really proud to promote My Deck as one of the top deck building companies. Don't just trust your deck building to anyone. If you live in Monmouth County, to Bucks County, Somerset, Hunterdon County, Mercer County, you cannot have a better deck builder to call. Joe, thanks again for taking the time with us.